Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and we just finished an amazing install for garage cabinets. This is a high gloss black. It looks amazing. I'm going to turn around, try to show you and get you a good close-up of it so you can really see how it looks. Really tough though, because the high gloss is so reflective. It just looks like you're looking in a mirror and you're just seeing the stuff that's in the background. So let me show you what we got here. So these guys are just moving in and haven't put their stuff away yet because they haven't had cabinets to put it away in, but he's got a nice home gym here in his garage, and then it's a 3-car garage, and so we put cabinets across the back, and we wanted it to look amazing. When he was in here working out, he didn't want it to look like garage cabinets, so we used it's called Miralux. It's a high gloss laminate that is super durable and super shiny. And so you can see here we've got about 30 feet of cabinets. Did a built-in space for his fridge so it's nice and tight. And then the cabinets, you know, we've got our divided cabinets. They're going to put their stuff on the inside. So we got our nice white on the inside. We're clear up off the floor so that we don't have any no legs hanging down. Nice clean look. It just came out really nice. We put these large handles on it that are chrome, and they've kind of got like a knurled carbon fiber look on it, but it looks really nice. When they get the garage all clean and everything, when they pull in, they'll be able to see their cars as they're pulling in, be able to see the opening and stuff, see where they're at. It just looks spectacular, easy to clean, and it's gonna look really nice when they get everything put away in here. We'll come back, we'll get some picture in it with their cars, with the gym and everything all laid out, but that's our installation for today. It looks amazing.